Hi everybody, it's Somewhat Girly here with another unboxing of the Ipsy Bag for March of 2023. It's open because it came in a bigger bag, looking kind of ragged on the top here. I think they shoved it in, not 100% sure. So let's get these items out. Don't forget, I am visually impaired and I use reader glasses and the zoom on my camera to be able to see what I'm looking at or find details. That's a little raggedy. So we have our sometimes product card, sometimes not here. Our theme of the month is Step Into Your Power, which you can pause to read there what they want you to do. I think there's a QR code there that you can do if you want, which will explain more. You can go to ipsy.com and find out more about this bag. On the back here, it talks about their recent merger with BoxyCharm, which they bought a little while ago. Not exactly sure when they did, but you can pause to read this. There used to be one of the subscriptions called Glam Bag X, which they're turning into Icon Box because I think it's merging with one of the BoxyCharms. So that, I guess, is exciting for people who get that, and this would explain a little bit more. Inside, of course, is actually our products. And here's the bag. This is lovely. This is absolutely lovely. It is not textured, but like each of these little lines, some of them are raised and some of them are in to make it look more prismatic. I don't know why that's up like that. There we go. Here is our zipper pull. The back, just as gorgeous. I believe the inside is a deep blue. Editing me will be able to figure that out. Navy color, I guess. Let's look at the item that's outside of the packaging, outside of the bag first. Am I holding this properly? Probably. Okay, so it is a squirt bottle. I'm gonna think a mousse of some sort, but how about we give it a little zoom? Okay. We got the Pore Essential. Oh, it's for your face? I was going to think it was for hair. Tight and toned. From Benefit. Oh, okay. Benefit Cosmetics. I'm not gonna squirt that out because that would be messy. And I guess it's for your face. Pore Cosmetics Tight and Toned Pore Refining AHA plus PHA Toning Foam. Let's see here. Deluxe size sample. The MSRP of the full size version of this product is $34. It's claiming that it tightens pores. It also lightens and brightens using lemon and Japanese yuzu citrus in it. It's oxygenated. You know, they sit there and they tell you a whole bunch of things about something to get you to try it out. So I don't know. I do have skin issues, so I mean, it's not gonna hurt to use it. Plastic bottle, but I don't know. I've gone through my profile several times trying to get Ipsy to stop sending me skincare items, but I don't know. Maybe I'll use it. I'm a little leery about the whole citrus thing though, because supposedly if you put citrus on your face, you have to watch when you go out in the sun because it can cause skin burning or something. Straight lemon. You know, you have to watch that. I don't know. Put that there for now. All right. Next item in here that I can feel is a box. Is it right side up? Is it upside down? I got some gold foiling here. We all know that I love a gold foiling. TFB. Is that TFB? Do you see TFB? I don't know what you could be. I'm not going to zoom in until I open it up. That's silly. Whoop. Oh, nail polish. I have no idea what color I'm seeing. That is dark. Editing me, can you guess? I mean, we'll see in a second when we look at the card, but wow. Got yacht. Got yacht. I can't tell. Is it black? When I think of yachts, I think of like white, because usually they're like bright white. It is a nail polish, right? Nail lacquer, yeah. Oh, even the name's on here. Normally they don't put the name on here. You can pause to read that if it's in focus. Who knows at this point? You can see all the different ingredients and what's going on with it. Oh, they got, you know, various things on the side here. Trust Fund Beauty. We haven't gotten a nail polish from them in a while. I have so many different colors. A lot of them are light colors, but I could not fathom a guess. I'm not willing to like put it on my nail because I don't want it. I have a habit of talking with my hands and I'm going to end up wiping it all. See? All over the place. Okay, Trust Fund Beauty. Nail polish, got yacht. Full-size version of this is going to be $15. Okay, after reading the little blurb there, it says that it is a navy blue, which I was kind of getting the feeling that it was a navy blue. I don't know why. For some reason, my brain was like, that's not black. Like, you know, vampy nail polish, but nice. Okay, next item, since I was talking about that too long. Something in bubbles. Bubble wrap. Whee! You know we have to do it. ASMR. Oh, so much better than the last one. Yeah. Anyway. What have we got here? I'm gonna do something here. Probably an eyeshadow. Hold on. Estate. Love how big that is. Love how big that is. Baby girl. Baby girl and I want to say that says Miss Me. They're really tiny for me. Hold on. Wee. It is. Baby girl and Miss Me. Press eyeshadow. Why don't we do some swatches here? Let's see here. Sorry if I don't feel impressed. That's shiny. That's shiny for saying. What do you think? Okay. Oh, that one's smooth. That one's very smooth. Now, where did I put that one? You know, honestly, that looks like a blush and a highlighter. Doesn't it? Doesn't that look like blush and highlighter? I don't know about you, but it does. Yeah, definitely. Prepared today. I had my makeup wipe already. I do like the packaging, though. And honestly, blush and highlighter, right? Okay, so Estate Cosmetics, Baby Girl, Eyeshadow Duo, and Baby Girl and Miss Me. Looks like, let's see here, full size is going to be $30, most likely because it's in a bigger palette. So they're just, because it's a baby girl pink, they're saying it's going to make you look like, you know, fresh and pretty, blah, 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 blah. I don't know. That might actually look really nice on the lids, giving you a little bit of a wash of color for a daytime look. Anyway, next item. We got a tube of some sort. Does that say Illuminati? Yes, it does. Okay, yes, it does. Okay, I'm going to guess this is a liquid lipstick or... Oh, my goodness. Symbolic liquid lipstick. Okay. I don't think it has plastic around it. No, it doesn't. That's a little... No, wait, it might. Wait, hold on. There was something. Ah, there we go. Something very light. Whoops. Hold on. That was the filmiest plastic I've ever felt. It was so thin I didn't even know it was on there. I thought it was actually part of the packaging. All right. This is like your typical, what I would say, oops, don't be tilting that. Done that before with nail polish. Looks like a dusty pink, but who knows at this point. Now, let's not put it on everything else I've got here. That is soft. It went on super soft. What do you think of that color? I actually like that. Now, will it dry down? Will it be a liquid lipstick? Because it doesn't actually say on the packaging. But in a second here, we will tell you what. It has a pleasant smell. I don't know what it is though. Illuminati Cosmetics Liquid Lip in Symbol. Full size version is $21. It is a full size. I don't think it's a liquid lipstick after reading the little blurb on here. I think it's just a lipstick that happens to be liquid. They're saying that it has Caranuba wax and this clay here that Kaolin. It's long lasting. It's a rosy pink, they're calling it. And yeah, it's tacky to the touch, but like they're saying it's very comfortable to wear and to touch it and to wear, like to like feel it. It does feel nice. I can't actually wait to put it on my lips. Okay, last item in the bag is another tube. I think we've seen this brand before. This goat milk, the goat milk one. Is it a hand cream? Is it a Donis goat milk skincare since 1982, of course. This is a goat milk hand cream. Softens and moisturizes for dry hands. Who doesn't have that, right? Open, and of course there's a little, hold on. It of course has a very interesting smell to it. Let's see, is it, oh, little liquidy there, but that's okay. I like dry lotions. This is a wet lotion. I don't know how to explain it to other people, what I mean by dry or wet, because, you know, but one has a lot more moisture in it than another one. Now, you're not going to see anything, obviously. It has a very pleasant smell. I want to say it smells like almond cookies or something like that for some reason. It doesn't go in right away, which isn't too much of a problem, but it's starting to, what do they call that when it goes, oh, okay, now it's getting a little better. I don't like when lotions leave a wet film behind. Like, I like when it goes into the skin. It is. And it's actually very soft compared to my other skin. That is very nice. I like that. Hovering around here somewhere is the other one. But what do we think? All right. Last test of the video. Well, I've already got some eyeshadow on it. Obviously, the eyeshadow is going to come off. It always does. Okay. And then we've got our lippy. Yeah, that comes right off. No worries there. All right, so yeah, that is for, say, someone who doesn't want to have the commitment of a long-lasting lipstick. Now, other than that, we love this stuff. I love this stuff. I really enjoyed opening this one. I've seen before. So, boop, boop.